In this video, we're going to talk about Rivian and also Li Auto. You know, there's a little bit of announcements there with Rivian, so we just want to shout that out. And then Li Auto, you know, maybe they're going to be making a move. And then at the end of the video, I have a little bit of inspiration for you, so stick around for that. So, you know, welcome back, everybody. This is Miss Moneymaker, and we're here with anything that moves. So now, first, let's get into Rivian. We're looking at Rivian. This is the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame. The reason why we're looking at Rivian is because you see at this level before here around the $10 level here, we're getting some support. And we're here now. We're still getting some support. We're above this green line, the 20-day moving average, and we're just really here at this purple line, the 50-day moving average. When we nicely get above those, sometimes we could pop up higher like we did before. You see, we had a little struggle at $12, but so maybe we'll move again to 12. If we can get through that area, see, we had a little bit of problem near 12 before at this area and here. So if you buy down here, expect some resistance around 12. Once you get up through there, you know, maybe you have a little bit of clear sky, a little bit to $13.50. But the point is, right now, Rivian, maybe they'll be trying to make a little bit of a go with things. Why? Well, we had a little bit of news. Alrighty, so Rivian, there's a leak. Yes, okay. What happened? The Rivian's R1T, R1S next year. Okay, so there's some leaked documents that came out that's saying that there's a hint at efficiency boost with the heat pump and a battery surprise. So people are looking into, you know, like, okay, what's going on there? Rivian reportedly applied to the EPA to certify its 2025 models, okay, R1T, R1S. Okay, so, you know, maybe they're going to have a smaller battery and the addition of a heat pump. Okay, so we have a little bit of news there. Then there's another little piece of news here. Okay, Rivian partnering, right, with, okay, Pivot Energy on solar projects. So we have a couple of things going on here. Okay, we have a couple of things going on here with Rivian. All right, just wanted to make sure you knew about that because maybe the stock makes a little bit of a move. Maybe eventually we can get up. We have a couple of barriers to cross, like I said, here, this level, and then you definitely have to have resistance around $16. Let me show you that. Well, why around $16? Just let me draw a trend line real quick because in the past, I'm going to go, alrighty, just want to make sure, okay. All right, so in the past, price reacted at this level, okay? It hit, bounced off, tried to break above. It took a lot of effort to get through this like $15 level. And then when it came back, it was support. And then again, it was support, right? So when you get to this level, you may break down, but once you go above it, you know, it should be support, but you got to get above this 200 moving day. So my point is, it's still a lot of, like Rivian has a way to go. Okay. It has a way to go. So give it some time. All right. So now also want to make sure you know that we had, you know, some Fed speak yesterday with Waller and Barr talking. This was yesterday. And now here we are today. So at 2:00, we have some FMOC minutes meetings. So things like that. So the markets are kind of like, okay, what are we really doing sometimes? You know, like, are we going a little sideways? Are we really into this? Now let's get into Li. This is Li Auto's chart. This is the daily time frame. Okay, up here, daily time frame. So now it looks like a little scribble scrabble, but the point is we're here. Let me just get the marker again. Hold on. Let's get the marker. Okay. The point is that we're here right now. Practically $21. Price has, you know, the stock reacted to that price point before in the past. Here, it broke through before, but it reacted here. So we have a couple of touches on this area. And now we're here again. Okay? Where this dotted red line is. See? All right, we're here now. So it looks like a support level to a lot of people. Okay? So we may rally back up. Okay, because it has went up before from this level. Okay, it has done this before in the past. So I just want to make sure you know, like, okay, you may have a little bit of a level here to go. If it breaks below this level and keeps going, then, I mean, that's another video, but you probably have some support here at $18. See here again, all right, $16, and then you go all the way back down here, all right, $14 level. So, but we'll get into that in another video if that really happens, okay? But you may have some support here. Okay, and then go up. So if we do, let me just show you this here. This is Li Auto. All right, so now where we're at now, from here, and if we go up, let's just go up to the highs of $47. If we regain that, that's, look at the third line in that floating box. That's 122%. 122%. So this is why I wanted to just shout that out and take a minute to shout that out, okay? You know, so if you want it down there, am I into the stock? You know, this is not really my cup of tea. You know, I'm into some other things, but I mean, that's, you know, we could have a support there. I want to leave you with this. Jerry Dunn, he said, don't limit your challenges. Yeah, don't limit your challenges. A lot of times people want to go around their challenges and like, oh, that's too hard. I don't want to do that and all that. Yeah, he said, don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Challenge your limits, people. Jerry Dunn. Okay, over and out. I'll see you next time. Or anything that moves, click like and subscribe. Bye.